So Drone Service Providers Alliance, Kenji Sugahara and I started this, I think, in 2020. It's been a while, surprisingly. And what we do is there's no true one place for commercial drone pilots in the United States to have a voice when it comes to regulation and that type of stuff. So we've done everything from, I've literally worked in Washington, D.C. I've talked with the legislators in D.C. I'm talking about some of the anti-China stuff or other regulations when it comes to the FAA Reauthorization Act. And we've done things as little as, I don't want to say as little because it's just as important, but we've had meetings with local drone pilots who there's a city that is trying to pass drone regulations that aren't what they're supposed to be doing. And so we sit down and we'll meet with local drone pilots on Zoom because I'm based in Denver. Kenji's based in Washington State. I'm sorry, Oregon. Same thing, just spelled differently. Sorry, Kenji. And say, okay, it's okay to be nervous when you go up. And we talk about how to go before city council and testify. So we kind of run the gamut about what we do there. And that's kind of what we do. There was no voice for that. And Kenji and I both were at that point. We're already, industry leaders. I mean, I kind of hate saying that, but we already had the industry contacts. We both knew the industry incredibly well. And so one thing led to another and we started it.
Yeah, no, that's phenomenal. I know I've sent you guys, I mean, I say leads, more like contacts of people who, oh, hey, my drone got shot down or things like that, or, any sort of thing. We're always really big about promoting the advocacy of what you guys are doing for drone pilots and make sure it's done correctly. So I'm a huge supporter of it. And I always love seeing you guys do everything you guys are making some massive changes across.
We're trying. And it's a lot of people in the industry. I want to say that there's a lot of people doing this and DSPA and DAA, which, is another organization I'm part of. We're sort of like the catalyst for it, but without the support of everybody else in the industry, we can't do anything. So it's definitely an industry-wide way to do things. And there's a lot of credit goes to a lot of people. Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, it's phenomenal. So